Hi friends, today we are going to discuss the topic advanced concept in information system, fourth unit of management information system subject. So in this subject we will discuss about the enterprises, resource planning, and what is the need of enterprise resource planning, and what are the advantages and disadvantages of the enterprise resource planning, and the features of enterprise resource planning. Among that, we will also discuss supply chain management, meaning, definitions. Next, need, advantage, disadvantage, and limitations of supply chain management, etc. Now we have to discuss the meaning of enterprise resource planning. Enterprise resource planning is an integrated, real-time, cross-functional enterprise application, an enterprise-wide transactions framework that supports all the internal business processes of a company. It supports all core business processes such as sales, ordering, such as inventory management, sales order process, inventory management and control, production and distribution planning, and finance. In this slide, we will discuss about the need of enterprise resource planning, business integration, and automated data updates. So every business organizations have the goal of profit maximization. To reach that objective, the business activities must be integrated and automated. Data will help for the integration of the activities of the business, and it leads for the efficiency effective of the organization. And next importance is linkage between all core business process, and easy flow of integration. Next to flexibility in business operations and more agility to the company, better analysis and planning capabilities, critical decision making, competitive advantage, use of latest technologies. Scope of enterprise resource planning. First one, finance, financial accounting, managerial accounting, treasury management, asset management, budget control, costing, and enterprise control. Next, logistics. Under logistics, we will discuss about the production planning, material management, plant maintenance, project management, event management, etc. Next one is human resource. Under human resource, we will discuss about the personal management, training of employees, and developing the skills of the employees, training and development, etc. Next to supply chain. Under supply chain, inventory control, purchase and order, control supply, supplier scheduling, planning, etc. Working flow, the entire flow of within the assignment to and responsibilities. Features of enterprise resource planning: sales and distribution module, manufacturing module, supplier and purchase order management, total quality management, inventory and material management module, plant maintenance module, financial module, exercise module, exercise management, human resource management. Advantages of enterprise resource planning: reduction of lead time, reduction of cycle time, better customer satisfaction, increased flexibility, quality and efficiency, improved information accuracy and decision making capability, online shipment, improved resource utilization, improved supplier performance, reduced quality costs, quick decision making, forecasting and optimization, better transparency. Meaning of supply chain management: supply chain management is the systematic, strategic coordination of the traditional business functions and tactics across these business functions, both within a particular company and across business within the supply chain, all coordinated improve the long-term performance of the individuals, companies, and the supply chain as a whole. In traditional manufacturing environment, supply chain management meant managing movement and storage of raw materials, work in progress inventory, and finished goods from point of origin to point of consumption. Supply chain management, it involves managing the network of interconnected smaller business units, network of channel that take part of in producing a merchandise, a service package required by the end users or customers. With the business crossing the barriers of local market and reaching out a global scenario, supply chain management is now defined as a design, planning, execution, control, and monitoring of supply chain activities with the objectives of creating net value, building a competitive infrastructure, living worldwide logistics, synchronizing supply demand, and measuring the performance of global business. Components of supply chain management: operations management, logistics, procurement, information technology, integrated business operations. Objectives of supply chain management: these are classified into three categories. First one, to decrease inventory cost by more accurately predicting demand and scheduling production to match it. Second one, to reduce overall production cost by streamlining production and by improving information flow. Third one, to improve customer satisfaction. Features of supply chain management: supply chain strategy, supply chain planning, logistic management, asset management, procurement, information management. Functions of supply chain management: supply chain management can help enhance the speed of customer requirement processing. This includes checking for raw material availability, product manufacturing, and passing the product logistics. The software can track the entire processes and ensure that the product is delivered on time. In warehouses, managers can use supply chain management to effectively manage the quality of stocked goods. The software can also help support inventory concerns such as asset management, replenishment, lead time, and future inventory and price forecasting. With supply chain management, the purchase order process are usually automated. It reduces time and efforts needed to generate and manage purchase orders. Predefined parameters can be set up: replacement inventories, generate a serial numbers for product shipments, and tracking inventory costs. The strategic planning and managing of all suppliers' inventories. interactions can be accomplished with supply chain management. The software can be used to assess the supplier assets and capabilities and compare them with the original business strategies. Supply chain management can effectively support a warehouse management system in the movement and storage of product. Supply chain management transactions such as picking, placing, receiving, and shipping. Process of supply chain management: customer relationship management, customer service management, demand management, customer order fulfillment, manufacturing flow management, procurement management, product development and commercialization, return management. Benefits of supply chain management. Supply chain oriented companies commonly report low inventory transportation, warehousing, and packaging costs, greater supply chain flexibility, improved customer service, higher revenues, increased performance, and profitability. Disadvantages of supply chain management: inadequate information wreak havoc. Next to extensive training and planning required. Min- Mismanaged implementation, inadequate training, one done mentality.